with y'all. All right, ooh, hunty, yes. Ooh, y'all, I'm in love with the way my hair looks. I'm sorry, but y'all already know I gotta plug myself in. I'm wearing the Chanel 613 wig from Raw My Hair collection. This wig is so gorgeous. It feels like butter. I've dyed it, washed it, straightened it, all that stuff. I had this hair for about a week now and it is still so much luster, so pretty. So if you're interested in buying this wig, click the link below for Raw My Hair collection. I'm having a sale on my site right now, so if you're interested in getting good quality hair at a great price, be sure to click the link below. But anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to dye your 613 wig into a nice ash blonde. In this video, I used about 5 boxes of hair dye. I used the dark ash blonde, the deep blonde or the dark blonde, and then the medium ash blonde. And I used a total of 5 boxes. Everything will be in the description box below. But yeah, I decided to mix all of my medium and deep ash blondes into one big tube. And then as you'll see, I mixed the one deep blonde into the black bowl. The reason why I did this one separately was because I was gonna use this for more of my roots, but as you see me start to spread the product onto the hair, it actually was just enough, so I had to use that in places where I ran out of dye. But you'll see me spread the dye throughout the hair. As I am dyeing the hair, I do a couple strokes here and there. I try to get deep in there so it kind of reaches the other side of the wig, and then I also try to get a brush and brush it through so that it is nice and even. Okay, so once you're done dyeing the hair, you'll see that it is a dark brown. Don't be alarmed, that's the color that it's supposed to look. So I just let it sit for about 40 minutes and then I washed it. This is the final product. It was like almost a gray color, and I actually really like this color. I think I'm gonna try to go gray next, but this is the hair when it is wet. Also, the lace was very white. I noticed that once I got done dyeing it, so I was just looking at that lace and seeing what can be done about that. Boom, baby. So right now I just put the wig on my head. I was seeing how it fit, seeing where I wanted the part to be, just really seeing myself in this blonde hair. I never seen myself in blonde hair like this, so it was catching me a little bit off guard. But nonetheless, I really like this wet look. If you guys like this wet look, let me know in the comments down below. I'll do a whole look. And then here I am looking like Harriet Tubman. But don't mind me, I'm about to be a baddie soon. I tried to put on makeup and that was a bad idea. The makeup is just a little bit too messy, and it went through the lace, it went through the hair. I just didn't like it, so I tried to do it without the makeup, and as you can see, the lace is still very light on my chocolate skin. So later on in the video, you'll see me actually going back and tinting the lace with some lace tinting spray that I bought from the store, but I'll talk about that a little bit later. Right now, I'm just trying to make sure that it fits good, and that I'm cutting the excess lace from my ears, and then I'm about to go ahead and try to get started. This is my hair blow dried out. This is the color. Y'all, I was not prepared for this lace. Like, I was not prepared. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest with you guys. At this point, I'm just doing the best I can to just make this work. I had plans this night and I just had stuff to do, so I just need to cover as much lace as possible and make it look as decent as possible. So I'm just straightening it just so that it will work out. But I did buy this touch-up spray. It was a light brown color. It's kind of for covering up gray hairs. It washes right out, so I decided to buy it and test it out, and it actually worked out nice. So I just sprayed it along my lace front. I tried to move as much hair out the way as possible, but the main thing I was trying to get was definitely that lace honey, because that was just not cute. I know y'all saw what I saw on this camera, and that was just not cute. Okay, so boom, back to this. Actually kind of cute. So this is the take 2 of me trying to do this blonde hair. So I'm really just repeating my first step, seeing if this lace blends a little bit better, and it definitely did. So enjoy the rest of the video. All right, you guys, so this is, oops, I'm looking at myself. All right, so this is the final look. I don't have like any more really light pieces for my lace anymore. The tinting spray really worked. Even my roots are a little bit darker. So yeah, I really like the way that it turned out on my hair. I recommend everybody going to get some type of tinting spray so that you just don't have that problem I had. But anyways, I'm about to do my makeup so I can go ahead and finish up this little, what was this again? Oh, so I can finish up this wig tutorial, maybe take a few pictures for my Instagram and for my website, and then I'll record another video. So I hope you guys really enjoyed. I really just need somebody to, I'm over here pulling my lace off. But yeah, right now I just kind of really need somebody to come over and braid my hair for me, because right now I have 2 big doo-doo braids going back. My wig is just not laying as flat and as neat as it should, but y'all, I was kind of nervous, but this hair is actually super soft, like super soft. No no matting, no tangling. I can run my finger straight through it. I've dyed it and I've washed it, and it still has amazing luster and amazing feel to it. I didn't put any products in this hair. I was gonna put a little bit of serum on it, but I didn't put any products on this hair. I might just spray some water or some hairspray up top so I don't have any flyaways. But other than that, yeah, this is the final look. I already did my eyebrows because I was about to start on my makeup, but I'm about to finish up my makeup and then I'll record another video. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this whole hair tutorial. Please let me know what colors, what hairstyles you guys want me to try next. If I haven't mentioned this already, this is hair from Rame Hair Collection. You guys already know, so click the link below to shop. Right now I'm having a special on my website. So, excuse me. Right now I'm having a special on my website. So if you're interested in buying great quality and affordable hair at a great price, right now is the time to shop. So go ahead and click that link below. And yeah, I'm about to do my makeup, so I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys.